And the axe work's not very good, but I get to blame you all for putting me off. Again, my workshop, I get to blame all one. Now the chewing up and making it a little bit smooth is the sort of the longest thing. And what you can't see at the moment is the actual piece of wood is wet, and it's actually, if you see the back of this, water gets brought out of the piece of wood by centrifugal force, which is not a word that I would normally know, just so that we're clear. Well, because I'm in your time period, and one of the professors said this is how you need to talk to everybody. So I thought, well, okay, then I will.